What's up guys, welcome back to another video from How To and Tips. As we talk about e-bike maintenance, there are many parts of an e-bike that need to be maintained, like batteries or tires or like brakes and etc. But I bet all my money that most of you guys don't know how to maintain the motor. So here comes my tips for e-bike motor maintenance. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Keep your motors from water or moisture. Generally, most e-bikes motors can accept light water exposure as long as they can dry out quickly and don't start to rust, especially in hot summer. But when it is raining and humid, then you must make sure you don't ride through puddles or in wet conditions, because you know, it is not possible for any e-bike to be waterproof. And this is going to put your motor at more risks of getting broken. Sometimes it may be inevitable to meet that situation. You may need to considering purchasing a waterproof cover for your motors or for your e-bike. And I know most of you would like to clean your e-bikes in this season. And of course, you'd better keep your motor areas from getting wet while doing this. Tip number 2. Avoid overheating. As I've mentioned, it is hot summer right now and the temperature will lead to overheat of motors easily. And for any kind of motors, overheat is always one of the major issues. And most motors have built-in auto cut-off switch which turns off the motors automatically if they get too hot. Basically, you need to remove obstructions around motors so that they can dissipate heat much more efficiently. Also, avoid taking long rides in the strong sunlight, even though you can tolerate that from our lovely sun, but the motors possibly won't. Tip number 3. Store your motors in dry and well-vented places. Well, there may be weeks or months when you don't ride your e-bikes for some specific reasons, then you must store them somewhere. And however, not all the spots are suitable for e-bike storage. Basically, extremely cold or hot weather will not do any good to your e-bike motors. So first, you need to choose a spot that is dry and well vented and where the relative humidity is lower than 65%. Then the recommended temperature in that place is between 45 Fahrenheit degrees and 95 Fahrenheit degrees. By the way, if it would be like a few months or even longer for you to put your e-bike in a storage room, then you are recommended to make your e-bike work for 5 minutes without anything or anybody on it. This can be done once a month. The last tip, try not to disassemble motors. I believe most of you, and including me, don't know how e-bike motors are made. And some people may try to disassemble motors out of curiosity or whatever. And here's the thing, if you're not a pro, then please stop. The design of an e-bike motor could be complicated and intricate to those who know little about motors. And if you disassemble them, chances are you may change something important inside of it and leading to the malfunction of them and unexpected accidents. Also, if you disassemble the motor on your Magicycle, then you will avoid the warranty, okay? So here we come to the end of the 4 usual tips, and here comes the comment from Robert Lloyd. Month and a half and 500 miles mark, no issues, some brake adjustments, oil the chain, put air in the tires and check and tighten bolts, just normal bike maintenance. Aside from upgrades, I'm at 539 miles after today's journey into the forest. Okay, Robert, good to know that you have ridden your Magicycle bike for so many miles, and we hope you keep doing that, okay? And please keep safe while riding in the forest. You can reach out to Clyde or Richard in MC community to get 200 Magic coins. For the rest of you watching this, you are welcome to leave a comment to let us know what you feel about Magicycle bike. So this is today's video, and don't forget to subscribe us and hit the like button. We will see you in the next update.